So, let's talk about AI. For years, it felt like something straight out of a sci-fi movie. It was a concept, an idea for the distant future, something we'd see in films about robots and spaceships. But something has shifted. That future isn't so distant anymore. In fact, it's happening right now, all around us. We've hit an inflection point. The technology has gotten so good so fast that it's no longer just for researchers in a lab. It's in our pockets on our computers, and it's starting to change everything. This isn't just another tech trend. This feels different. It's a fundamental shift in how we interact with technology, and ultimately with the world. The excitement around AI in 2025 is palpable. You can feel it everywhere. The revolution isn't coming, it's here. It's easy to think of AI as this big, futuristic concept, but the truth is, you're probably using it every single day. You just might not realize it. Think about your phone. When you unlock it with your face, that's AI. When you open your favorite music app and it gives you a Discover weekly playlist, that's AI too. It analyzes the millions of songs you've listened to, what you've skipped, what you've replayed, and compares it to the habits of millions of other users to predict what new music you'll love. It's so seamless, so integrated, that we often take it for granted. The reason your photos look so clean, so crisp, and so vibrant isn't just the lens. When you press the shutter button, the phone actually captures multiple images at once. The AI then instantly analyzes these frames, merges the best parts, reduces noise, balances lighting, sharpens details. This is how we get stunning portraits and incredible night shots. When you use a map app, AI analyzes real-time traffic, predicts jams, and reroutes you. It's a massive, complex calculation impossible for a human in real time. Even typing a text involves predictive text that learns your style. From spam filters to recommendations, AI is already a silent partner in our digital lives. It's the invisible layer that makes tech smarter, more personalized, and more intuitive. While we chase the next big thing, AI has quietly become indispensable. If the AI we're using now is the silent partner, the next wave of AI tools are the creative co-pilots. We're moving beyond simple automation and into the realm of generation. These are tools that don't just organize information, they create entirely new things. We're talking about large language models, or LLMs like GPT-4 and its successors. You give them a prompt, a question, a command, an idea, and they can write an email, a poem, a script, computer code. They've been trained on a massive portion of the internet, understanding context, nuance, and style. For creators, this is a superpower. Then you have image generation and video generation tools. Type a sentence, a corgi wearing a tiny astronaut helmet sitting on the moon. Photorealistic. And boom, there it is. This tech is evolving at a staggering pace, and video is the next frontier. We're seeing tools that create clips from text, opening new worlds for filmmakers, marketers, storytellers. It's not about replacing human creativity, it's about augmenting it. Generate many options in minutes, explore ideas fast, iterate rapidly. In 2025, AI integrates into everyday software, analysis, reports, presentations, automate the tedious, free people for strategy, critical thinking, and human connection. This wave is about collaboration. The smart home of today is pretty good. We have speakers for music and weather, lights we can control by voice, thermostats that learn. But honestly, it's all a bit disconnected. You still have to give specific commands. Devices lack broader context. The AI of tomorrow aims to change that. A central nervous system for your home, anticipating your needs before you ask. Imagine this, your alarm goes off. Instead of a beep, lights simulate a sunrise. It knows you have an early meeting. Coffee is already brewing. As you walk in, a calm voice gives traffic and a 1-minute email summary. It understands your routines, your preferences, and the context of your day. It knows what food you have and what's about to expire. Suggests a recipe, adds missing ingredients, even places the order. Manages energy use, schedules devices off-peak, saves money and carbon. Your AI becomes the ultimate curator and sets the mood. It's about a home that is itself smart. A space that actively works to make life easier, more efficient, and more enjoyable. Beyond the cool gadgets and home conveniences, AI can tackle major, persistent challenges. It analyzes massive datasets and finds patterns invisible to us, a superpower we can apply to medicine, climate change, education, impact measured not just in time or money but lives, and a healthier planet. Models read X-rays, MRIs, CT scans with incredible accuracy, spotting signs like cancer or diabetic retinopathy earlier and more reliably, not replacing doctors, empowering faster, better diagnoses, accelerating discovery that could take decades, more accurate weather and climate projections to prepare for extremes. AI optimizes power grids for renewable efficiency. From satellites to soil sensors, farmers use exactly what's needed, cutting waste. Education adapts to each learner, freeing teachers to mentor and create. Done right, it helps close achievement gaps and unlock potential. These complex, data-heavy problems are exactly where AI shines, transforming capability into real-world good. As incredibly exciting as all of this is, we have to be real. New, powerful tech brings new challenges. With AI, the stakes are high. It's on all of us to be thoughtful. The conversation can't be only about wow, it must be responsible. AI learns from data. If data has biases, AI amplifies them. That risks unfair outcomes in hiring, lending, and justice. Tasks will automate, new jobs emerge, but transitions can be hard. We need reskilling and safety nets, augmentation, not mass unemployment. Personalization needs data, raising questions of ownership, use, and protection. Demand transparency, build robust security, give users real control. It's non-negotiable. Embrace potential while actively mitigating risks. It's not about fearing or stopping progress. It's about guiding it. We decide priorities, efficiency, profit, human well-being, fairness, creativity. The technology is neutral. It's a tool. Our choices determine whether it builds a better, more equitable future for everyone. So, we've covered a lot. We've seen how AI is part of life, the tools emerging in 2025, and how it could reshape our homes, our health, and our world. We've also touched on the real challenges and responsibilities. The pace of change is the fastest we've seen. Exciting and, at times, overwhelming. This future isn't set in stone. We're actively building it with the products we use and the conversations we have. You don't need to be a programmer or a CEO. Your perspective matters. So, I want to turn the question over to you. Take a minute and really think about it. What are you most excited about? Creativity, solving big problems, or simple convenience? What's one thing you wish AI could do for you? And what worries you? Privacy, work, or decisions without oversight? Tell us below. What does your ideal AI future look like?